A spacewalk, also known as an extravehicular activity, EVA, is an activity in which astronauts leave the confines of their spacecraft or space station and venture into space. During a spacewalk, astronauts don specially designed suits known as Extravehicular Mobility Units, EMUs, to work outside the spacecraft. Spacewalks are critical for the construction, maintenance, and repair of spacecraft and space infrastructure. Key aspects of spacewalks. Purpose. Spacewalks serve various purposes, including construction and assembly of space structures, such as the International Space Station, ISS. Maintenance and repair of spacecraft, satellites, and space instruments. Scientific experiments and observations conducted in the vacuum of space. Extravehicular Mobility Unit, EMU. Astronauts wear a specially designed spacesuit, the Extravehicular Mobility Unit, which provides life support, protection from micrometeoroids, temperature regulation, and communication capabilities. The EMU is equipped with a backpack containing oxygen, a temperature control system, and tools for performing tasks in space. Tethering and mobility. Astronauts are tethered to the spacecraft or space station by a retractable cord to prevent them from floating away in microgravity. The EMU also includes thrusters on the backpack for controlled movements. Astronauts can use handrails and foot restraints to move around and perform tasks. Tools and equipment. Astronauts carry a variety of tools and equipment during spacewalks, including wrenches, drills, cameras, and specialized instruments. These tools are adapted for use in the vacuum of space and microgravity conditions. Preparation. Spacewalks require extensive planning and preparation. Astronauts undergo rigorous training on Earth to simulate the conditions of spacewalks, including practicing the use of tools, mobility in microgravity, and emergency procedures. Mission control. Spacewalks are closely monitored by mission control centers on Earth. Ground controllers provide guidance to astronauts, manage the mission timeline, and ensure the safety of the crew during the spacewalk. Duration. Spacewalks can vary in duration, ranging from a few minutes to several hours. The length of a spacewalk depends on the objectives of the mission, the tasks to be performed, and the consumables, such as oxygen, available in the astronaut's suit. Historical significance. Spacewalks have played a crucial role in the history of space exploration. The first spacewalk was conducted by Soviet cosmonaut Alexei Leonov on March 18, 1965, during the Voskhod 2 mission. Since then, spacewalks have become a routine part of space missions, contributing to the assembly and maintenance of space stations and the repair of satellites. Importance of spacewalks. Space station construction and maintenance. Spacewalks have been essential for the construction and ongoing maintenance of space stations, such as the International Space Station, ISS. Astronauts conduct spacewalks to install new modules, replace equipment, and address issues that may arise. Satellite repair and upgrades. Spacewalks enable astronauts to repair and upgrade satellites and space instruments. This is particularly important for extending the operational life of valuable space assets. Scientific research. Astronauts may conduct scientific experiments and observations during spacewalks that are not possible within the confines of a spacecraft or space station. These experiments provide valuable data about the space environment. Training and skill development. Spacewalks serve as a means for astronauts to develop and hone their skills in working in space. Training on Earth helps astronauts become familiar with the challenges of operating in microgravity and the vacuum of space. Emergency repairs. Spacewalks allow astronauts to perform emergency repairs in the event of malfunctions or damage to spacecraft systems. This capability is crucial for ensuring the safety of the crew and the success of the mission. Spacewalks continue to be an integral part of human space exploration, and advancements in spacesuit technology and training techniques contribute to the success and safety of extravehicular activities. As humans venture farther into space, including potential missions to the Moon and Mars, spacewalks will remain a vital aspect of space missions.